Thank you for participating in Manitowoc Public Utilities Lead and Copper Sampling Program. This sampling effort is required by the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources under the Lead and Copper Rule. Everything you need is found in a sampling kit. In this kit, you will find one sampling bottle and one sample direction form. The first thing to do when you receive this kit is to open it up and thoroughly read the directions. If you have any questions at all regarding this, please contact us using the information provided and we will be happy to help you. Before sampling, please be sure you do not have any kind of water filtration device or water softener that your water will be going through. Also, please do not remove the aerator prior to collecting the sample. The most important aspect of this is to make sure you have not used water for at least 6 hours prior to collecting your sample. The easiest way to do this is to sample first thing in the morning or in the evening upon returning home from work. The next step is to place a sample container under your kitchen faucet. Turn on the cold water and fill the bottle to the neck at a flow rate as if you were filling a glass of water. Then remove from flow and screw the cap on tightly to prevent leaks. After filling, place a sample bottle in the Ziploc bag provided and complete the information below. Please place the sample kit outside the front door for MPU to pick up by 8 a.m. Your results will be provided to you as soon as possible, but no later than 30 days after we receive the results. If you have any questions at all about this process, please contact us and we will be glad to help you. Thanks again for your participation in our program.